Hello, welcome to Small Town Customs. Today we're going to be working on this Johnny Lightning Custom Ferrari. I think it says U.S. and foreign patent pending at the bottom. It's pretty bad shape. It's full of dirt. All right, let's get it apart. It's got some real small posts in it, so we probably ain't gonna be able to use any screws to put it back together. Probably have to glue it. We ain't worried about messing up the wheels. We're going to put different wheels on it. Woo! Look at all the dirt. And it would have to have a rivet holding in the glass. And it's going to be stubborn. There we go. Woo, dirty. Has a little V8 two carburetors. Okay, let's get it in the stripper. Then we'll see what she looks like. We'll get all this cleaned up. Okay, we're going to mix up some paint for our little Johnny Lightning here. And it was originally a light purple color. I think this will be pretty close. Need to make it a little thinner. A little bit thinner. All right, let's head to the paint booth. we got our Johnny Lightning back together. Turn the rotisserie on. There we go. Painted the bottom black. Did the detail on the taillights and the side vents. Chromed the exhaust pipes and the fuel cap. Put some real rider wheels on it. It is a roller. Well, I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Stay tuned, there's more to come. Y'all have a good evening.